Once upon a time, there was a boy who belonged to a very rich family. One day, his father asked him, "Son, let's go to the countryside, to a village, so that you can understand how poor people live." The boy agreed, and both father and son went for a journey. So they arrive at the nearest village where a very poor family live. The father and son stayed there for several days, and on their return, the father asked, "Do you like the trip, son?" The son replied, "Yes, father, I enjoyed a lot." "Do you notice how poor family live?" "Yes, father," replied the son. "You should be proud, happy, and grateful for the life that you have given, isn't it?" "Yes, father," replied the son again. Then the father asked, "So why don't you tell me the few of the impressions from the trip that you really liked?" The boy looked at his father's eyes and said, "We have one dog while they have 4 and 3 cows. In our garden we have pool while they have a river which has no end. We have expensive lanterns while they have stars above their head at night. We have a balcony while they have an entire horizon. We have a small piece of land while they have endless fields. We have high fences for protection for our property. They don't need one because they have friends for their protection. And we buy fruits while they grow it." The father was surprised. He was stunned. He had no answers. He had no words which could summarize anything which his son said right now. "Thank you, father, for letting me know how poor we are," said his son. I hope that you understand this story, and I hope that you understood how rich you are right now. See, our problem is we always dwell upon the things that we really wanted in our life. We always had this kind of mindset that if I'm going to buy a BMW, then I'm going to be happy. If I buy a mansion, that will bring me happiness. If I have a 7-figure earning, that will truly make me happy. Well, that's not the case. True wealth is not measured by the material things. It's all about the happiness right now. How much happy you are right now will define whether you are rich or not. Love, friendship, freedom, and happiness are the 4 more essential, the core things that are far more valuable than wealth. If you have all these things in your life, then believe me, you are the most wealthiest person right now. Sometimes what you have right now is a dream to others. So always be thankful for the things that you have right now, which will make you immense rich. So if you have clicked to this video with a thought process that I'm going to give you some rich schemes, quick rich scheme that will help you out in making you more money, then believe me friend, nobody can make you rich. No one can make you rich by a YouTube video, believe me that. But I hope this story make you realize that how wealthy you are right now. So I'm going to give you here 5 points, a very simple 5 points. And if you're going to count all these 5 points in your life, then you are really rich right here, right now. Not in the coming future, right here, right now. Number 1, gratitude. You should be in gratitude for whatever things that you have right now. If you have a house, if you have a food to eat, if you have your parents, then you are rich. Many people don't have. Just ask them how poor they are right now. When they don't have a proper food, when they don't have their own house, when they don't have their family and friends, when they don't have a decent clothes, ask them. For you, that might not define richness right now. But if you walk their shoes, their life, then you got to understand how important these things are. So you should always be in gratitude for whatever things that you have right now. If you have a good cell phone, a decent cell phone in which you are watching this video right now, then you should be in gratitude, because there are millions of people out there in our country who even don't have cell phone in their hands. So we should be in gratitude for everything that we have. Number 2, count your blessings. Whatever things that you really want in your life that you don't have, you don't have to dwell upon that again and again. If you count the blessings that you have right now, you will feel immensely rich right now. So why don't you write 3 things right now that you are grateful for, that you have right here, right now in your life. Pause this video for a few minutes and write down 3 things for which you are truly blessed. This will help you out in becoming more content towards your life. So why don't you do this exercise on a daily basis? Every day when you wake up or at any time, so take a piece of paper and write down 3 things for which you are grateful. The things that you have in your life. Just write it down. Not about the things that you really want in the coming future. That will happen automatically. Because if you're feeling good about it right now for the things that you have, in the coming future, the things that you don't have will come to your life automatically. Because you are feeling happy right now for the things that you have in your life. So count your blessings on a daily basis and be grateful to the universe that whatever things that you have, you are saying thankful for each and everything. Number 3, don't compare your life to others. See, we live in an internet savvy world wherein any good thing which is happening in our life, we are posting it on a daily basis. Now what's happening here is, when you look at your friend's post, you tend to feel jealous because that person is traveling to a specific place where you have never been before. That person is eating something amazing which you have never experienced. Well, that's not the case. Like I've said before in many of the videos, that pictures are decisive. They are fake. It is just a one part of their life which you have experienced, and now they have posted it all over the social media. And now you are feeling jealous about it? No, that's not the case. You don't need to compare your life to others. Your life has your own journey. So live your life to the fullest. Don't compare your life, because there are some things which you have that your friends don't. So the negative thing that you can do right now is to compare your life to the others. You might not be successful right now. I get it. But it doesn't mean that the person who is successful, you will feel jealous about it. Because you have no idea what that person did in their life. You know, it's very easy to say that that guy might be very lucky. Oh, he's so lucky, he got that job. Well, that's not the case. Because you don't know the backstory. You don't know the struggle, what they're facing right now, right? So we don't have to compare our life. That is very important thing that you need to understand. When you have gratitude for the things that you have right now, you will feel good about it. So don't compare your life to others. Number 4, everyone is living to a certain time period. Some people graduate at the age of 21, while others graduate at the age of 30. Some people get their job at the age of 22, 23, while others at the age of 32. Some people get married early, some people don't. Everybody is living to a certain time period. And it's our job to understand that we need to focus on our life, not others. Because the person who got the job at the age of 22 might be fired at the age of 24, while the person who is graduating at the age of 27 is getting their job at 28, 29, and then he is living a very decent life. So you don't have to compare their time period. Everybody is living their own life, their own struggle, their own journey. So we need to focus on our life and nobody else's. You need to brush your brain in that way so that it only focuses on your life. That's how you can achieve success in your life and not thinking about that person has already done so much in their life. Because in that way, you are comparing your life to others, and that will have a negative impact in your life. And with this kind of mindset, you cannot do anything. So prime focus is yourself, your life, and stop thinking about others. Everybody is facing their own struggles. Everybody is struggling in their life. If you are a poor guy or if you're a billionaire, everybody has their own struggles, right? So we don't have to compare because everybody is living in his or her time period. Last but not the least, the 5th point, and probably one of the most important point that we ignore a lot, is to find your own happiness. If we have this kind of mindset, one day when I'm going to buy my own house, then I will be happy. That will make me happy. If you have this kind of mindset, believe me, you will never be happy. The things that you have right now will make you happy. But our mind has been programmed in that way that we are thinking only about our future. If you're thinking about the past and if you're thinking about the future, you can never live in the present moment right here, right now. And you're ignoring all the blessings that you have currently in your life. So always be thankful to the things that you have right now. And if you are truly happy about the things that you have in your life, then you will be happy. You will feel blessed. You will always be in gratitude. And when you have this kind of mindset, this positive mindset, then you will automatically feel happy. You will automatically feel blessed, and that will help you out in boosting your future. because your coming life events will have a huge impact in the thought process which you have right here, right now. What are you thinking right now? If you're thinking positively, then your future will be positive. And if you're thinking about negative circumstances, your future can never make you successful. So I hope you understood the story, and I hope you understood all these 5 pointers. So try to implement all these things in your life so that you can have happiness, so that you can feel blessed. You always be in gratitude. So I hope that you understood all these 5 pointers, and I hope you're going to implement all these things in your life. Do share this video with your family and friends so that they can also understand this important thing in our life which we ignore a lot. My name is Vaibhav Nigam. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Do follow me here on Instagram. Till then, I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.